Looking for easy, healthy and no-fuss summer desserts? We've got you covered with two chill treats, a creamy chia coconut pudding and a refreshing mixed berry sorbet. Let's get started. First up is the chia and coconut pudding. For that, in a bowl, pour in your desired amount of coconut milk, add sugar to taste and stir well. Now add in the chia seeds. These little guys work their magic by soaking up the liquid and forming a pudding-like texture. Now let the mixture rest for 20 to 30 minutes or until it thickens beautifully. While that sets, chop up your favorite fruits. We are using strawberries, black grapes and red grapes today. Now time to layer. Spoon some of that creamy chia coconut pudding into a jar. Add a layer of fresh fruits, then another layer of pudding. Now top it off with some more fruits and a few mint leaves for a burst of freshness. That's it. Easy peasy and super satisfying. Now for our second summer cooler, a no-churn mixed berry sorbet. Start with 2 cups of frozen berries. If you're using fresh ones, freeze them for at least 3 hours. Now add sugar or go healthier with honey or jaggery. Next, toast in some mint leaves and a bit of lemon zest for that refreshing zing. Now blend it all until you get a smooth, thick sorbet-like paste. Next, spoon the mixture into a bowl and pop it into the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours to set. Once chill, scoop it out into a jar, garnish with mint, and you've got a fruity, icy delight to beat the heat. Now here you go, 2 easy summer desserts ready in no time, cool and totally refreshing. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.